Welcome to my channel. Brother HL-L2380DW Wi-Fi Setup Easy Connection Guide. 1. Turn on the printer. Start by plugging in your Brother HL-L2380DW and turning it on. Wait until the printer finishes starting up and the touch screen is ready. 2. Check your Wi-Fi details. Before beginning, keep your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password nearby. You'll need both during the setup. 3. Open Network Settings. On the printer's touchscreen, open Settings and go to All Settings. Then select Network and choose WLAN. 4. Select Setup Wizard. Find and tap Setup Wizard. This option allows the printer to search for available wireless networks. 5. Enable Wireless. If the screen asks Enable WLAN or switch network interface to wireless, select Yes to turn on the wireless connection. 6. Choose your Wi-Fi network. Give the printer a moment to scan nearby networks. When your Wi-Fi name appears, select the correct SSID from the list. 7. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Type your wireless password carefully. Pay attention to uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters because even one wrong character can stop the connection. 8. Confirm the settings. After entering the password, press OK and confirm the settings when prompted. The printer will now attempt to connect to your wireless network. 9. Wait for connected. Give the printer a few moments to complete the connection. When the display shows connected, the Wi-Fi setup is successful. 10. Add the printer to your computer. Now install the appropriate Brother printer software or driver on your computer and add the HL-L2380DW as a network printer. Print a test page to make sure everything is working correctly. Thanks for watching.